how to teach pre-writing or help your early emergent writer. Well, in today's episode, I'm going to show you some fun activities. You do not want to miss any part of it. Let's get right into it. If you are new here, my name is Brianna. I am an author and the founder of the Brown Bear Book Club. So if you enjoy getting tips, tools, encouragement, all the things early childhood, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get right into the first little tip. So the first tip goes to the obvious tip. How do you even encourage children to hold their pencil properly or hold their marker properly? One little fun song, I don't remember who the original artist or songwriter was. I made my own twist to it, and it goes like this. You're going to encourage children to create their hands like a crab. So if you're listening to this on the podcast, it'll be a little difficult for you to see, but you're going to do this song right here. It says, "The little crab goes snip, 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 snip. The little crab goes snip, 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 near the tip of my pencil." Or you can say tip of your marker or crayon or wherever you're using. And if you need something a little bit more step by step, there is a curriculum called Handwriting Without Tears. They're not the writer of that song, but they have tons of play-based sensory activities. One of the things that I really like is one of their tools, which is chalk bits, and it naturally helps children to put their fingers in the proper handwriting position. And so it comes with, they also have chalkboards and different things you can use. But again, they have lots of sensory activities that you really want to check out. And I'll make sure that I leave it in the comments below. Another tip is using different types of materials and formats. And so different formats like journaling. So having a draw and write journal where there's space for children to draw and there's lines available for them to start writing. Another tool that you can use is using recycled birthday cards and using sticky notes. These are also some fun ways where children are not just writing on paper, but you're using different types of formats that children might enjoy a little bit better. Another idea is using a tablet, not a tablet like the kind that children are stuck on all day, but there's this writing tablet that I found on Amazon, and when children write on there, it changes different colors. And so it's like a rainbow, it's like neon colors, and that is really good for children, especially if they need that extra sensory effect. And I'll make sure I leave this tool below. Another little tool that you can use to encourage children to write is using things like sand, using shaving cream, using even dirt outside. Because again, before children, they may not be interested in holding a pencil, but they're very interested in using their hands to explore. So you could be drawing shapes, letters, all types of creations outside or with with sand or shaving cream. And that's just an easy way to engage young children. Another fun tip, of course, is using books that feature writing utensils. So one book that I love is The Crayon Box That Talked, and it's written by Shane D. Roth. And this is just a fun way where children are seeing writing utensils outside of the ones in their home or in their classroom. And another thing I like about this book is all the different colors, and it kind of also helps those kiddos who might not know their colors yet. And so The Crayon Box That Talked. Also having ready-to-go caddies full of different types of writing utensils. Maybe one week you have color pencils, another week you have markers, another week you might have crayons or pens. And so let me know right now in the comments below, what has been your biggest challenge with teaching young children to write, or even just putting materials out for them to explore in their emerging writing phase of development? So let me know in the comments. And also let me know, are you a teacher or a parent? How old are your kids, or what grade do you teach? If you enjoy resources, I send additional resources if you sign up to join the club, which is totally free. It's just a newsletter that I send, and I send additional tips and tools to help you, whether you are at home or at school, whether you're not at home or school, but if you're a teacher or a parent, you might want to sign up to that newsletter. But let's finish this conversation in the comments below. And again, I'll leave all the tools and tips in the comments below. I'll talk to you guys soon, another time. Bye, guys.